Good morning, everybody. It's Trent Klarenbach with Klarenbach Research. Today is June the 12th, 2024, and today I'm going to share two charts which I find interesting. They are commodity charts relative to the S&P 500 index. Now, the first chart I'm going to show you right here is the Thomson Reuters Core Commodity CRB Index versus the S&P and 500 index itself. So we have two indexes comparing the relative performance of one against the other. Now we can see right now that for some time actually the S&P 500 has outperformed commodities. We go way back to September, October 2011 when this this downtrend started in this ratio. Interestingly enough, though, it almost appears like we're forming what I call a stage one accumulation of the four stages of the market structure. This appears to me like it could be a stage one accumulation. So if you look at up the top here, we had what I would describe as a stage two markup. Then we had a stage three distribution, entered into a stage four decline, which happened for like the last 13 years. So what does this mean? If we're in a stage one accumulation, what follows a stage one accumulation? A stage two markup, which we see a rise in the ratio value. So we want to keep an eye on this chart here. You get a sense whether commodities are going to start outperforming the stock market. And if it does, it could be a start of another new commodity cycle. The next chart here is the Invesco DB Agriculture Fund versus the S&P 500 again. Now this is agriculture commodities. I don't know the breakdown of it, but they got everything from cocoa to cows in there. So, check it out if you want. We can see here the similar idea way back in November. Stock market has been outperforming commodities for, the last 13 years. But look what we're doing here. This appears to be like a stage one accumulation forming, a basing pattern, if you might say. We're above some key metrics here. We're above the purple 200-week moving average, which I think is significant. Now, we want to see what happens here. This could go sideways for a long time. It could continue lower. We don't know, but it appears like we could be in a stage one accumulation. Again, what follows a stage one accumulation? A stage two markup. And if a stage two markup happens, perhaps we enter into a new commodity super cycle. We're not there yet, but let's want to keep an eye on this. My name is Trent Klarenbach. I'm with Klarenbach Research. It's sunny in Saskatoon today. Life is good.